How to remove or replace a video background in CapCut PC. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can remove background from a video in your CapCut PC. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, open up CapCut and make sure to import your specific video. After that, drag the video to your timeline. Now once you have your video in your timeline, first of all click on your video in the timeline, and then you have to copy it and paste it on the timeline somewhere. So once you have two of your videos selected from your timeline, navigate to the first video. After that, head towards the top right corner, and from there, just below this menu bar, there is another bar that is basic remove BG. So from there, click on remove BG, that is remove background. After that, click on auto removal. Now once you have done that, head over to your upper left corner, and from there go to the stock materials, and from here select a background for your video. For example, I have this background right here. First of all, you need to download it. Once you have downloaded it, you can click on the video and drag it to the timeline and place it just in the middle of the video. After that, if you want to cut some of this part, you can do that as well. So for now, I will just cut this much of this background and then delete it. After that, edit it as your preferences. Here I will just keep it in right here in order to see the transition. So head towards your beginning, and from there simply play your video, and there you can see the background of this video has been changed and another background is added. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.